Florida Explorer. We're at the Florida State Fairgrounds, Cracker Country. Obviously, this is the Okahumpka train station. It's one of the coolest things known to man.
What a cute little outfit. Oh my goodness. That's pretty. You're just a little lady, aren't you?
Ticket windows. And the train that goes around the ceiling. Very, very cool. It's not necessarily historical, but it's very cool.
This display took over 4,000 years. Our display shows rural settings as they may have appeared using models of buildings in Cracker. All buildings in this display are scale models of real structures that can be created using photographs from library collections. All of our models depict authentic buildings and buildings. Cracker Country staff conducted 400 hours of library research beginning construction of this display. Many of our buildings recreated stands in the center of the display in front of the control console. Two of Florida's early industries, cattle and horses, are depicted on the far right and left of the display. Florida still ranks as one of our nation's leading producers of both cattle and horses. These industries arose from a meager introduction of cattle and horses brought to Florida by the Spanish and Spanish people. To the right rear of the landscape, the orange grove represents another major industry, citrus. Also known as fruit, lemons, limes, and tangerines are placed around the juice house. This represents all major varieties of citrus grown in Florida and to the left of the console, you can see a model of the custom-made fruit trees. Florida continues
Train's not running right now, clearly they're
producing state in the US.
preparing it, but
Other industries are depicted on our
see that
display.
it certainly does
Red
run.
brick at the campus cigar factory, still in Ybor City, is shown to your left near the campus.
Oh, back outside. We're not going to do one single piece on this whole place. We'll just split it up a little bit. But this is Florida State Fair, Cracker Country, like Heritage Village in Largo, or the similar site in Manatee and other places. This is one of the places where they've gathered the old railroad stations, schoolhouses, post offices, merchandise stores, homes, etc. Rather than destroy them for progress, they've either disassembled and reassembled them here, or just completely moved them on Toto to preserve them. So certainly efforts that we applaud there. But this is easily my favorite part of the fair, is to come here and be able to see these buildings, even though I've been here many times before. It never gets old. So Florida Explorer out for now.